How's it going, fellas? Welcome back to Trade Recap. I actually got a couple trades to go over today. We'll actually go over, we'll go over the Nasdaq trade first, just because it was before. So, the reason I took this trade. So this was during PM session. So I had seen that my market was making this downward trend. So I really wasn't looking for anything, but I had seen some stuff that had presented itself, so I was interested in maybe looking for a trade. So I had seen that we took out this hourly draw on liquidity. Boom, sweep out hourly draw during market session open, and then we had this downward trend and downward price action. So I had seen that we had formed this fair value gap after sweeping the liquidity. We had filled it in a little bit, and then we'd continued our bearish trend, even breaking structure, or continuing bearish structure we broke to the downside on this candle that took out liquidity here. So I'd seen that we'd had this bearish structure, and I'd seen that we had bearish structure. And I wanted price to come retrace this 15-minute fair value gap, which also had some highs resting above it. So I waited for market to come over, take out the highs, fill in some of the fair value gap, and then when I seen that we had closed beneath the fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame, I entered. So I entered, putting my stop loss above the fair value gap, and you could just kind of see what happened. I had gotten stopped out, and then market had just continued its bearish structure here. In retrospect, maybe I should have had my stop loss a little bit higher, like right there. But overall, I don't think this was a bad trade, and it's not a horrible loss whatsoever. You know what I mean? So, stuff happens. You lose trades. Gotta take it on the chin and move on. The next trade I gotta go over is this GBP JPY trade, the GJ. Let's just kind of get into it. So I'd seen that market came up, taking out these highs here, these 4-hour highs. Boop, market took them out, and then after that we were having some bearish momentum. Seeing boom, take out the high, boom, take out the 4-hour highs, and then we had a break of structure. And what I've kind of noticed with these forex pairs is they don't really like to react too much off of like fair value gaps or imbalances and stuff like that so much. They do react off of them, but they really love to react off of liquidity sweeps. So when I seen that we took out high time frame liquidity, and then that we were making this bearish pressure, I'd also known that the past couple weeks we've just been like super choppy, like take out a high, boom, take out a low, boom, like we've just been like in this super choppy price action. So I knew that probably, likely or not, we're going to take out the high, and then we're going to probably try to go take out some lows after that. So after I seen that we broke structure, I entered, putting my stop loss above these highs here, and from there, you could just kind of see what played out from there. Putting my stop or my take profit down here, getting a 2.77 RR on this trade. Pretty good. Yeah, sorry for being kind of inconsistent and not uploading so much. I'm gonna try to be better at that. But if you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Peace.